Daniel's Delight J.A. Calling all ladies and gentlemen. The 6, the Quenga and the 4 gen of them. The fancy, the shinging and the twinkle them. And don't be selfish, share it with a Christian friend.
Wagwan my delightful peeps, welcome back to another video from Daniel's Delight J.A. Today I am showing you how I make my version of Guinness Punch. Guinness Punch is a creamy and smooth drink with a perfect combination of the bitterness of Guinness and the sweetness of condensed milk. So to make my Guinness Punch, I am using Guinness, of course. I am using oats, Supplegen, condensed milk, Irish moss, nutmeg, cinnamon powder and vanilla for flavor. So I am starting out by adding my oats. I had soaked my oats beforehand just to make it a little softer. Next, I am adding my whole bottle of Guinness. Next goes my whole box of Supplegen. And feel free to replace the Supplegen with Nutrament if you so desire. Next, I'm going in with my whole can of Irish moss. Next, I am adding my nutmeg and my cinnamon powder. I am also adding some vanilla. That's 1 tablespoon. And last but not least, I am adding my condensed milk. So you can adjust the sweetness based on your taste buds. So you can either add more condensed milk or less condensed milk. The condensed milk not only sweetens this drink, but it helps to make it rich and creamy. Now all that's left to do is give this a quick blend for about 10 to 15 seconds. And it's as easy as that. And here it is, my version of the Guinness Punch, aka Strongbox. You are going to love the taste of this Jamaican style Guinness Punch. You can leave it to chill or pour it over ice. This one is for the adults in the family or those who consume alcohol. Show some love by subscribing to my channel, turn on your post notification bell, like my video, leave a comment about my Guinness Punch, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.